Hi friends, welcome to our channel Let's Learn to Win. Which is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Which is the largest democracy in the world? India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi? Nathuram Godse. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi? Porbandar. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Who referred Gandhiji as the half-naked fakir? Winston Churchill. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Mahatma Gandhi. Which year Mahatma Gandhi led Dandi March? 1930. Who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji? Rabindranath Tagore. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? 1919. In which year Quit India movement was started? 1942. What is the national motto of India? Satyameva Jayate. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who wrote the book The Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. When did India become independent? 15 August 1947. Who is known as Netaji? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who designed the Indian flag? Pingali Vengayya. Who wrote Sare Jahan Se Acha? Muhammad Iqbal. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who gave the slogan "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it"? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is the architect of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as Lokmanya? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who wrote the national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore. Who gave the slogan Dilli Chalo? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who gave the name Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. Mahatma Gandhi. In which language National Anthem of India is originally written? Bengali. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra of our national flag? 24 spokes. Who gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? Subhash Chandra Bose. What is the name of Gandhiji's autobiography? My Experiments with Truth. Where did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Amritsar. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.